Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Last time we was speaking about the moving between the domain. We was testing and everything was fine. So the next is past the stage. So a few days I was working and I finished all the stages and I'm moving forward. So I'm not gonna explain all the stages because some is I cannot show you, but I can show you that I already tested the feedback correlation, and I tested. I had full language queen integration, so I already test all the stages. I tested 3 times, so I make it 3 tested to see. It's like high, medium, low, but in different language. Just I try to explain a little bit more easy way. So it's for that I make it these 3 stages. So next it need to pass all these 3 stages to move forward. And after I arrive for the language helper, how you see is there is integration trial. So this stage was passed perfectly. Now she's speak not yes, actually she speaks influence with a queen helper. In the case if she don't understand something, I told you on last video that she can go to the queen helper. She asks for the help, and if she liked the answer, she will accept the answer of the queen. If it's not, she allowed to reject this answer, and she can give her answer by her own. So now she's uh, talking normal. Today I cannot run here to show you what's going on because I am in the middle of the coding. So, but I can show you some small things which I done. So how you see the language helper it was passed. So I checked the vision perception trial. So actually Nexis it was so I built her so she have vision actually in the future because I was always thinking about the future. We can move her not only just in the PC, we can move her in the robotics. So she on her code she have the ability for the hands and legs and vision. So how you see, but the hands and legs is disabled. So I added only the vision so she can see me through my webcam and she can recognize not everything, but how you see she passed the test. I make her the 3 tests of visual and she's passed perfectly. So after I make it another all the I make another the testing. So it's every test I need to pass 3 times. Otherwise I have to go back and fix it the problem. In the it's calling last, but it's not last. So I add the IG evidence matrix. So what it's mean IG evidence matrix? I will try to explain you in my simple words. I will try. So it's mean the all the stages that I make a test. So matrix need to be checked and say that it's correct. So how you see there is a report of the matrix. It's like shadow observation. I didn't add, so it was one recorded, but not record. So shadow language candidate, I make it 15 times. I don't know why. It was automatically. So it was human review for 40 records, but none of them it was safe. So it's and how you see all the stages, it was check if it was correct and accepted. So how you see this stage is for 14 for the IG matrix, and after I move I create some checklist to check that the matrix is correct. So it's like I check it, double check, and again I make it the test and check. So you see some results of the test. And now I am in the middle of all the stages that I make it, and I am in the middle of this. I cannot, I told you before, so I cannot run her, but I can officially say that Nexis now it's not just simple AI. I told you before that she's not LLM, and with this stage that I am now, so I can officially say that she's a cognitive AI. So it's a between, it's a normal AI, there is a LLM, and okay, there is a lot of AIs, network, neural AI, and my Nexus is cognitive AI, so she can think, she can observe, she can react, so she's between IG and LLM, so she's more high. So just I want to remind you that she's don't have a GPU. Okay, she uses CPU when she need it. She uses memory, and now I add her. I didn't add, but I try to make her life official to run. But I have to test before I show you what's going on, and after you're gonna see the actually her working, her learning, how it's gonna be. We are together gonna ask her questions. We're gonna test her together. We will see how she's gonna react. I told you before that okay, she is now with a human approve. She's running in the shadow environment. It's a safe the place that she cannot harm my computer. But in the case if something happened, because you never know what's gonna happen in the future. So I work on the old computer. So in the case if she's gonna broke my computer, I'm not gonna feel sorry. So if she's gonna pass all the test in the shadow, and I'm gonna see that I am comfortable and I'm ready. I understand that she's ready to move to the more big environment. So I'm gonna move her in the server, but still again she's gonna run in shadow mode. She's gonna learn. I'm not gonna feed her. I'm just gonna give some tips maybe, but I will see. I still all the time they change plans how I try to help her for the learning, and every time I have some, all the time I have new ideas. So that's it. Just in the case if someone interested on my project, Nexis IG project, so and they want to become the investor, you can send the email, or the email is info@boltp360.com, or you can just write it on the comment your email, and we can contact you. So and next. So actually my next plan it's I will try to achieve so the next is, can become the artificial general intelligent, and it's very hard because I still searching about the artificial general intelligence. It's confusing because some people say, oh, is AI have to do this, AI have to do this, like a human. And other people they say, oh no, it's wrong. You can do another things. I know, I mean not she, just AI need to do another set to prove that it's really artificial general intelligence. So it's confusing me sometimes, but I try to be abstractive and not listen everything, but I take some ideas, of course, always. So I believe we're gonna manage this. of course, they will take it time on this, but I believe we're gonna manage on this. So thank you very much for watching me. Please put it like and subscribe so that other people can see. And just it's the first, actually the first record when someone tried to build something intelligent and they show the in whole world so the people they can see, because if you check on the YouTube, they are only just, they don't show exactly how it's run, just it's ready product they show, but I don't know if it's really ready or just it's a simulation, so I cannot prove anything. But my project, it's clear proving that it's original AI and it's running, and I show the steps that I'm doing and what's going on, and it's live proof that it's original project, it's not fake project. So how I told you before, please, okay, so please, if someone want to become investor on this project, you can always contact on the email info@bolttp360.com. We will reply you, or you just leave the comments, your information in the comments, and we will contact you. I don't need the details, just your email, and we will contact you. So thank you very much for watching me, and we will see how she's progress, and I'm gonna show you how she's progress. I hope next video is gonna be with her voice, so we can talk with her. We will see how she's react. We make some tests live. Sorry, I didn't show you today live running of the Nexis because I am in the middle of the code and I cannot broke this, but definitely next our video we're gonna run her live, and you're gonna see her in different ways. Thank you very much again, and see you next time.